Right, back we are. Let's see what we can show you with this. Vamos usando el Dremel con una cabeza muy fuerte. Look at that. For carving. Pretty vicious bit of kit, so watch your fingers. Strangely enough, it doesn't actually heat that up very much when I'm carving. I'm just going to turn the radio down a bit. Espera un moment. So look, here is a better example of the casting, lark, and there you can start carving it, hammering it if you wanted, filing. You may have to anneal it if you're hammering because it's going to work harden. But hey, I'm carving out the middle because I want to make it finger size. So here we go. I've got goggles on. So era diciendo que estoy abriéndolo con el Dremel y luego voy repasando con media caña, lima de media caña. Y claro, cuando estoy trabajando con esto, como salen muchos trocitos, pues tiene que poner las gafas de seguridad, ¿no? De plástico. Muy importante. So always wear your protective stuff, guys. Este puede tener usos muy interesantes por Joaquín en su trabajo en Madrid. Esta posibilidad de fundir y formar solamente de tirar metal fundido en un hueco, para apoyando obras de arte y tal en las exposiciones y tal. Puede ser muy interesante. I'm just saying to my student Joaquin in Madrid that he could use this process very easily. You could do it also with brass and other metals, of pour casting specific shapes that you need for exhibitions when you are making the stands for works of art, because sometimes you need to cast something that will fit in and then you solder on a wire y tal. So interesting. Hope you enjoyed that. Back soon. Bye bye.